Those
Did you want more cough drop ASMR?
No, Moco-chan, nobody wants that.
No.
Spit it out.
I'm not gonna spit it out.
Spit it out.
I'm gonna crunch it, okay? I'm gonna crunch it.
This little sister.
Uh-oh. I'll crunch it on the other cheek, okay? It's farther away.
That was a big crunch. Moco-chan, are you proud of your crunching? It tastes good?
Much better than that, though.
I don't know.
It was fun.
Watch out, Moco-chan. There's gonna be muffins. A very, very kindly timestamp for us. But they're gonna start timestamping your crunches.
You know what? Tomorrow I'll open up YouTube and we Mococo crunches cough drops.
ありがたいことにね。Thankful, it's very thankful.
Very thankful.
Yeah. It's always a little bit surprising, but we're very thankful. So.